What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through setting up your Gmail profile picture, and it's a simple process. It will just take only a few seconds. Now here we are on my home phone screen. Just launch your Gmail application as you see here. Tap on it and then wait for it to load. What you're gonna do is to tap on the top right hand corner right here on your profile picture. Tap on it and then you need to tap on this little circle right after your profile picture. Then tap on this one and then tap on add profile picture. Tap on it. You have two options, the illustration option and the device option. You can also choose from the illustration based on your liking. So my main focus here is to set a wonderful profile picture. So I will go to my device, tap on this second option right here. We have this interface that says browse or take photo. So I will tap on this little bluish button here. Tap on it. You have two options. The camera option, this lets you take a photo just as quick as possible. And the media picker, this helps you choose your photo within the phone gallery. So I will tap on media picker. And then it will take me direct to my phone gallery. And I will see something like my photo here. Tap on it again, uploading photo. And that's it. I will just tweak to my liking, crop it. And then after that, I press next. And then save as profile picture. And that's it. My profile picture is updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.